Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade your garage setup or just need a reliable tool for your car maintenance, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best hydraulic floor jacks on the market. These jacks are designed to offer unbeatable stability, ease of use, and exceptional lifting power, ensuring you get the job done safely and efficiently. From heavy-duty options to those perfect for lighter tasks, we'll cover the best models that combine performance with value. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these hydraulic floor jacks are sure to meet your needs. So check the link in the description below for more details and to grab yours today. Number 1. Big Red T83006 Torin Hydraulic Trolley Service/Floor Jack with extra saddle is engineered for both durability and performance, making it an excellent choice for those requiring a high-capacity hydraulic floor jack. With a robust 3-ton, 6,000 pounds capacity, this jack is well-suited for lifting a range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, as well as extended-height trucks. Its lifting range is versatile, with a minimum height of 5 7/8 inches and a maximum height of 20 7/8 inches, accommodating most vehicle sizes with ease. The design of the Big Red T83006 includes 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, providing smooth maneuverability and allowing the jack to be easily positioned under the vehicle. This feature enhances operational efficiency, particularly in tight or confined spaces. The extra-long saddle neck is a standout feature, designed to facilitate lifting of higher vehicles without the need for additional tools or extensions, thus saving time and effort. Equipped with a single-piston quick-lift pump, this jack offers rapid lifting to the desired height, improving overall productivity. The safety bypass system is an essential feature that prevents overloading, adding an extra layer of safety during use. Additionally, the rubber-tip tongs protect the vehicle's undercarriage from potential damage, ensuring that your vehicle remains in pristine condition. The handle length of 24.5 inches provides ample leverage, making it easier to operate the jack while maintaining control. The hydraulic trolley jack is designed with long-term durability in mind, featuring an industrial luster that not only looks professional but also withstands the rigors of heavy use. The inclusion of a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty further supports its reliability and quality. The Big Red T83006 is a versatile and dependable choice for anyone needing a powerful hydraulic floor jack for various lifting tasks. Number 2. Jackboss Floor Jack stands out as a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and heavy-duty hydraulic car jack. With an impressive 3-ton, 6,600 pounds capacity, this floor jack is engineered to handle a wide range of vehicles, from cars to trucks and SUVs. Its lifting range extends from 5.15 inches to 18.3 inches, allowing for versatile use in various automotive tasks. One of its standout features is the quick lift function, which significantly reduces the time required to raise the vehicle, making it a valuable tool for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The Jackboss Floor Jack boasts a durable steel construction, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The heavy-duty steel frame is designed to withstand rigorous use, providing exceptional stability and durability. Additionally, the jack is equipped with a rugged universal joint that allows for precise load control, enhancing safety and ease of use. For maneuverability, the jack features a pair of 2-inch steel front casters and 2 2-inch 360-degree swivel casters made from solid rubber. This combination of casters enables smooth and effortless positioning, making it easy to navigate around your garage or workshop. The floor jack meets ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards, offering peace of mind during operation. This versatile jack is ideal for a variety of applications, including car tire changes and other auto repairs. Its lifting capacity and range make it suitable for most vehicles, though it's always advisable to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle parameters before purchasing. With a 1-year warranty guarantee, the Jackboss Floor Jack provides both functionality and assurance for your automotive needs. Number 3. T83051 Torin Hydraulic Low-Profile Trolley Service/Floor Jack stands out in the market of hydraulic floor jacks due to its exceptional build quality and performance features. The jack is crafted from heavy-duty steel, providing a robust construction that ensures long-term durability and resistance to wear. Its industrial luster not only contributes to its sleek appearance but also enhances its ability to withstand heavy use in various environments. This model has a lifting capacity of 2.5 tons, 5,000 pounds, making it versatile enough to handle a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. The jack features a low minimum lifting height of 3 3/8 inches, which is ideal for vehicles with low ground clearance or for working on vehicles in confined spaces. It can reach a maximum height of 14 15/16 inches, allowing users to lift vehicles to a comfortable working height for maintenance and repairs. The TCE-TC83051 is equipped with a single-piston quick-lift pump, which significantly reduces the time needed to raise the jack to the desired height. This feature enhances efficiency and makes the lifting process faster and more convenient. For added safety, the jack incorporates a safety bypass system that prevents overloading, ensuring the jack operates within its rated capacity and reducing the risk of accidents. Another notable feature of this floor jack is its maneuverability. It is fitted with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for smooth and effortless movement. This design ensures that the jack can be easily positioned and maneuvered around the work area, even in tight or crowded spaces. Overall, the TCE-TC83051 Torin hydraulic low-profile trolley service/floor jack offers a combination of strength, precision, and safety, making it a top choice for those in need of a reliable and efficient hydraulic floor jack for various automotive tasks. Number 4. Prolift DF235P Gray Hydraulic Trolley Jack Car Lift with Blow-Molded Case delivers exceptional performance and convenience for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This hydraulic trolley jack boasts a robust 3,000-pound capacity, making it well-suited for lifting a wide range of vehicles with ease. The jack's minimum height of 5.25 inches is perfect for low-clearance vehicles, while the maximum height of 12 inches accommodates standard vehicle heights, offering versatility for different lifting needs. One of the standout features is its all-welded steel frame construction, which ensures superior durability and resilience. This design not only supports heavy loads but also resists rust and corrosion, extending the jack's lifespan and maintaining its performance over time. The single pumping handle is engineered for smooth operation, allowing for quick and efficient lifting with minimal effort, making it a user-friendly choice for both experienced users and novices. The Prolift DF235P is equipped with large steel casters and swivel casters, providing excellent maneuverability. These casters facilitate easy movement and positioning of the jack under vehicles, enhancing safety and efficiency during use. The sturdy carrying handle adds to the convenience by enabling easy transport and handling, whether you're moving the jack around your garage or taking it to different job sites. For added protection and organization, this hydraulic jack comes with a blow-molded case. This case not only keeps the jack secure and in top condition when not in use but also makes storage and transport more manageable. The Prolift DF235P's combination of robust construction, ease of use, and practical features positions it as one of the top choices among hydraulic floor jacks, offering reliability and performance for all your vehicle lifting needs. Number 5. DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low-Profile Hydraulic Trolley Service/Floor Jack stands out as an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and high-performing hydraulic jack. This model boasts a robust 2-ton, 4,000 pounds, lifting capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and heavy-duty applications. The jack features an impressive lifting range from a minimum height of 5.1 inches to a maximum of 13 inches, allowing you to easily lift vehicles to the desired height for maintenance and repairs. Its high-quality construction ensures durability and long-term performance, as each unit is rigorously tested for material strength and automotive application. The jack is equipped with a built-in overload protection system that includes a safety release valve, preventing damage or injury by managing excessive loads effectively. Additionally, the large saddle provides enhanced stability, which is crucial for safe lifting operations. The design incorporates heavy-duty steel construction, offering the rigidity and stability needed for demanding tasks. Despite its robust build, the jack remains lightweight and easy to maneuver, thanks to its swivel casters, which facilitate smooth rolling and precise positioning. It is important to note that this jack is intended solely for vertical lifting tasks and should not be used as a jack stand for holding loads for extended periods. This focus on lifting rather than supporting heavy loads ensures that the jack delivers optimal performance in its intended use. Overall, the DNA Motoring Tools 00234 Low-Profile Hydraulic Trolley Jack excels in providing reliable, high-capacity lifting with enhanced safety and maneuverability, making it a top choice for anyone seeking the best hydraulic floor jack for their garage or industrial needs. In conclusion, choosing the right hydraulic floor jack can make a huge difference in your vehicle maintenance tasks. Whether you're looking for durability, lifting capacity, or ease of use, the models we've covered offer a range of features to suit your needs. From heavy-duty options to more compact designs, there's a hydraulic floor jack for every situation. Remember to consider the weight capacity, build quality, and additional features that fit your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video for more update videos and to keep up with the latest in automotive tools and equipment. Your support helps us bring you the best reviews and recommendations.